Hello and welcome to Harmonized Hypnotherapy. My name is Mary Moylan. As a whole body hypnotherapist, I want to share a bit about my mission in life, and that is to help people in a more holistic manner to achieve a greater well-being by integrating the mind, body, and emotion as a whole. As a certified hypnotherapist, my focus is on working with the subconscious mind, helping people to overcome the limiting beliefs that are so often present. I recently expanded my practice to include tools that connect us into body-mind somatic awareness. That there are certain aspects within oneself that you have to heal from the body up, and there are certain aspects that we have to heal from the mind down. We can expand on the body focus by adding the components of the mind and the emotion, including working with the conscious mind in terms of thoughts and cognitive strategies, and the subconscious mind in terms of habits and beliefs. I've created a weekly class called Breathe, Imagine, Align. This is an opportunity for clients to experience and get a sense of, in 1 hour, what's possible within my full trainings and what's possible for them in terms of transformation and evolution. I have programs of different lengths that can be tailored to the needs of any specific retreat, training, group, or business. From my 1 hour body-mind classes, one-to-one sessions, weekend group seminars, 3 to 5 day workshops, or rotating virtual 5-week seminars that take clients through a weekly discovery and relearning process that is a more complete process of understanding, healing, and well-being. As a mental health counselor and a clinical hypnotherapist, I specialize in an integrative mind-body approach to health, personal empowerment, and overall well-being. With hypnotherapy, we're addressing the potential unconscious ideas, beliefs, and emotions that often limit the client from achieving optimal health outcomes, personal goals, or potentials. And remember, intellect opens the door, emotion turns on the light. And if you'd like to learn more, contact me for information about my well-being retreats and seminars, corporate trainings, and private sessions.